Pot.
Mr. Pot.
Yeah, last name is Pot.
Last name. Okay.
First
And
name.
First name.
First name.
Jongsu.
Jongsu what?
Jongsu Pot. Jongsu Pot.
Jongsu Pot.
Jongsu Pot.
Put Jongsu.
What? Jongsu?
Because in Korea, last name first.
Oo.
Yeah, put Jongsu.
Jongsu Pot. You're famous in TikTok
Hmm?
You're famous in TikTok and Facebook.
and Facebook.
Do you know me?
Yes.
Oh, who am I?
Jongsu Pot.